Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. On this channel, you guys are going to learn how you can make an income from home by taking surveys, watching videos, or investing into higher paying opportunities that can get you an even bigger income. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you stay to the end of the video, I have a couple of free gifts I'm going to give you. Now, the title of this video is Survey Junkie Review and $5 Cash Out. So I'm going to do a review of Survey Junkie, give you my personal review, and I'm going to show you that I have a cash out I have to do. So Survey Junkie is a survey company that pays you to take surveys, and they're fairly easy. A lot of people don't understand the demographics of taking surveys, because when you take surveys, you have to understand that it is frustrating when you take a 25-minute survey and you don't qualify for it. But if you understand why you don't qualify for it, you will not get as upset or frustrated as you would if you knew if you knew why. So the reason that happens is if you're not the right age, if you're not the right race, if you're not a male or a female, if you don't make enough money, if you don't work in a certain industry, everything factors into all that. But if you consistently keep taking the surveys over and over again, you will qualify for them eventually. I'm telling you, it didn't take me long to qualify for surveys because I do surveys all the time. So with Survey Junkie, I do these surveys every single day. I don't skip surveys at all. There's times where I've taken a couple of days off and I didn't work the site, but for the most part, I do these surveys consistently. And I qualify for at least one or two whenever I come on here and work the site. So as you can see, I withdraw, and this is my Survey Junkie account here. I'm able to redeem at $5. So I have 505 points. And a little tip, just a reminder, you can only have one account per household. Okay, if you guys end up creating more than one, you will not be able to take surveys, and they could place your account on hold. That's what I recently went through. So just remember the rules. Basically, you cannot have more than one account. You can only have one Survey Junkie account. So that's my advice. But you can sign up with Survey Junkie. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to sign up with Survey Junkie. You just come here, create an account, get started taking surveys. If you have any questions, you can come up here to the Help tab right here, and it'll walk you through where you go to submit a support ticket, and you can contact Survey Junkie directly and let them know if you're having any issues on the site. But I've made it to my 500 point redemption. I'm going to redeem this 500 points, and that's equivalent to $5. So $5.05. So it didn't take me long to get to $5. So I'm just letting you know it doesn't take that long. You just have to be active on the site and stay consistent. Trust me, guys, these surveys don't take that long. Because what I do is I go to my playlist on YouTube, I pop in my headphones, and I listen to music while I'm taking the survey. Like, I literally, and if I have to watch a video or listen to something, I turn my music down and I answer the question or whatever it is I have to do. But I distract myself from anything that would keep me from focused on what I need to do. So my advice is do this if you have kids and you're, just do the surveys when your kids are either when they're busy, because I know now they're probably at home. So if they're at home with you, then just do this when you're busy, when they're busy or distracted, or you got to make sure that you're 100% focused. You're not going to make millions with this, but if you put in the effort, you will make enough money. So I'm going to go ahead and redeem this 505 points, $5.05, and I will come back once I get payment make a short payment video proving to you that it sent the money to my PayPal account, because I would like for you guys to see that with your own eyes, that I did get paid to my PayPal account. So I don't want you guys to think that I'm making anything up. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and withdraw. Don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And don't forget, I have a couple of free gifts in the description you can take a look at. It's just my way of saying thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. Alright, take care, you guys.